Hi, this is Proco Computer Repairs, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Quick Assist. It's a built-in remote desktop software, or remote assistant software I should say. It comes pre-installed into Windows 10 Home and Windows 10 Pro, so if you have either one of those versions of Windows, you'll be able to use this program. It's free. So this is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to get it set up. It's not going to be an in-depth video on how to get it going and all the features that it has available. So if you're looking for that kind of video, this would not be the video that you're looking for. But if you're looking for a quick guide on how to get it, up and running, this would be the video for you. So if that's you, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is head down to the search bar and type in Quick Assist. And this would be the application that we're looking for. So you'd want to go ahead and click on that to bring it open. And I don't have another computer, but I do have a virtual machine that I set up to demonstrate this for you guys. So we're just going to have a scenario so it's easier to follow. So this is going to be Bob's computer, and Bob is having an issue installing a driver and he needs assistance with that. So we're going to have Bob bring up Quick Assist on his computer as well. So you would have him type, same thing, Quick Assist into a search bar to bring open Quick Assist. And once Bob have, his Quick Assist open, you would go to assist another person on your computer. And you will have to sign in. So if you are not signed in already, you will be prompted to sign into your Microsoft account, or they do have alternative options, but to keep it simple, you would sign into your Microsoft account. I'm going to go ahead and do that and then skip forward once I do. Okay, so now I've signed in, and it gives you a code. They do have a timer. It expires in 10 minutes, so you do have a time limit. Just be wary of that. But yeah, if you have a Microsoft account already for your Windows account, it would probably just skip that sign-in requirement and then bring you straight to this screen. But yeah, we're going to give Bob this code, and you would give him that code to enter in on his end, and that would be 132001, because we're trying to provide Bob assistance. So Bob would have to put our code in, and we'll go ahead and do that on Bob's computer. And you would have Bob click on share screen. And it's beginning handshake. So you would go on your system and click on take full control. There are other options. There's a view screen where you don't have full control, but we're looking to get full control of Bob's computer to provide assistance. So you would click on take full control and click continue. And then Bob would be prompted with this screen as well, to basically give you permission to connect to his computer. So you would have him press allow. And there you go. We're connected to Bob's system. Again, this would be our computer on the left-hand side. This is what it would look like when you connect to someone else's computer. So again, on the left side, this would be our system. And then on the right-hand side, the screen here, the virtual machine would be Bob's system. So on your end, you would now have control over Bob's computer, and you could, go ahead and provide assistance to Bob. And yeah. So that's how you get Quick Assist up and running. It's not very complicated compared to, the alternative options out there, but I find it to be very quick, as the name states, and it's very useful and easy to get going. So if you're looking for a solution where, you can get, assistance to someone rather quickly, Quick Assist is a really good option if, both you and the person that you're trying to provide support to has Windows installed, or Windows 10 specifically installed. So very good option, highly recommended. And yeah, that's the quick way of how to use Quick Assist. And if you guys thought this video was helpful, please leave a like. If you want to see any future tutorials from me, please feel free to subscribe as well. And I hope you guys have a good one. Take care.